Ordering a PC from Valhalla Performance PCs is ridiculously easy. Pick your build, customize it, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna grab one of their desk mats and a sweatshirt too. They ship fast, so you're not waiting and wondering where your PC is, and just like that, it's at my door. Wow, that was fast. And this packaging, now that's the part that actually tells you who you're buying from. Double boxed, foam on every side, no dents, no shifting, nothing loose. You can tell it wasn't just thrown into a box, it was packed by people who know exactly what can happen to a PC in transit and how to prevent it. They include some extra supplies from your build, and this is where you'll find your power cable. Plug it in, power on, and it just works. No troubleshooting. It's set up and validated before it ever leaves their shop. This is a Thor build, lightning fast, hammer heavy, a showpiece built for high FPS and high refresh rate gaming. One of many options in the Valhalla PC lineup that you can fully customize. And every Valhalla PC is built with intention, tested carefully, and prepared to feel dialed in from day one. That's the kind of brand worth trusting with your next build. So if you're looking for a new gaming PC or just want to see what a truly custom setup can look like, this is where I'd start. Explore custom PCs and professionally overclocked systems at valhallapc.com.